হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল। আবার একটি নতুন ভিডিও নিয়ে তোমাদের সামনে হাজির হয়ে গেছি। আজকের ভিডিওতে আলোচনা করব পেপার 3 সলিউশন নিয়ে, লাইব্রেরি ক্লাসিফিকেশন থিওরি নিয়ে। তো আগের দিন ভিডিওতে থাম্বনেল প্রবলেমের জন্য পেপার 8-এর থাম্বনেলে পেপার 2-এর থাম্বনেল চলে এসেছিলো, তার জন্য খুবই সরি। তো আগের ভিডিওগুলো যারা পাওনি তারা অবশ্যই আমার ভিডিওর আই বাটনে প্রেস করে আগের ভিডিওগুলো দেখে নিতে পারো, ওখানে আমার প্লেলিস্ট বানানো আছে। তো বেশি টাইম নষ্ট না করে চলো শুরু করা যাক। প্রথম প্রশ্ন: in the context of library classification used in the sense of arranging thing into classes. Question number 3: the word classification come from the Latin word classis. The first edition of CC was published in 1933. Question number 4. Question number 5: the first edition of DDC consists of classification subject index for cataloging, arranging book pamphlets of a library. Question 6: 3 of Proverbi is a symmetric representation of illustrating scale of being. Question 17: DDC 19 edition is an study manual which was published in 1982. Question 8: complex subjects are formed by loose assemblies 1. Question 19: Prolegomena of library classification is written by S.R. Ranganathan. Question 10: the subject demography is formed by overall study of population. Question 11: a person who designed a scheme of library classification is called classificanist. Question 12: who referred to as the first grammarian of a library classification? Sayers and Ranganathan. Question 13: phonic schedules are part of which classification? DDC. Question 14: in case of notational system, mnemonics signifies. Mnemonics is notation or bytes of memory. Question 15: the common isolate in UDC are called space and time. Question 16: aggregate edition of DDC consists of logical truncation on the notational and structural hierarchy of the corresponding full edition. Question 17: interfacet phase relation is used to representing relationship between two or more subjects within one and the same area of facet isolates two or more subjects, two or more isolates within one and die same schedule isolates. Question 18: an isolate is an idea or idea complex fit to from a component of a subject. Question 19: in lamination modes of subject formation, construction by overlaying facet on facet. Question 20: the numbers of basic components for constructing a classification schemes are 3: schedules, instruction, alphabetic, and subject index. Question 21: a characteristic or principle of division divides a class into at least 10 sections. Question 24: Ranganathan presented his postulates of classification in Prolegomena to library classification in 1937. Question 27: how many canons for notational plan were initiated by Ranganathan? 55. The nature of DDC notation is decimal. Enumerative classification means a scheme where all the possible classes are enumerated according to certain characteristics. Question 30. BSO is classification stands for Board System of Ordering. Question 32. It is optionable question. Question 33. The book Principle of Science is wrote by William Stanley. Question 34. Type of basic subject propounded by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. It's 5 type. Question 35. Call number of a book means book address. Question 37. Which is the imprinting digit? TBXZ. Question 38. What is the theme of Bombay Conference? Ordering system for global information network. Question 39. DDC is an example of classification system. Question 40. The classification ensured collection of related subject through fusion. Question 42. ISCO stands for International Society for Knowledge Organization. Question 43. Scientific and educational consensus coined by Karl Popper. Question 45. In DDC, relative index subject arranged by alphabetical sequence. Question 46. Ranganathan's canons of classification as grouped into three planes of work are idea, verbal, and notational. Question 47. Which of the following is modes of formation of subjects? Loose assemblies, lamination, fission, fusion, distillation, agglomeration, and cluster. Question 48. Expensive classification is propounded by Charles Sammy Carter. Question 49. Dichotomy means a division or contrast between two things that are represented as being opposed or entirely different. Question 15. DDC 19th edition, how many auxiliary tables are there? 7 tables. Question 51. KWS stand for keyword out of context. Question 52. In which edition auxiliary table for area was introduced? DDC 17 edition. Question 53. Canon of reticence is canon for idea and notational. Question 54. Which book is not written by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan? It is a optionable question. Question 55. Maintenance and updating of UDC lies with the International Federation for Library Association. Question 56. The Dewey Decimal Classification divides human knowledge into 10 sections. Question 57. In colon classification, delta stand for main class notation. Question 58. Bibliographic classification founded by H.E. Bliss. Universal Decimal Classification founded by Paul Outlet and Henry LaFrontenay. Subject Classification founded by J.D. Brown. And colon classification is founded by S.R. Ranganathan. Question 59. Colon classification founded in 1933. Expensive classification founded by C.A. Carter in 1882. Universal Decimal Classification founded in 1991. Dewey Decimal Classification was founded in 1873. Question 60. Theory of integrative levels is a part of phenomena emerging. So friends, it is the total solution of paper 3 library classification theory. Here is lots of questions which are not answerable for me. সো আশা করি কিছুটা সাহায্য করতে পারলো। কাল থেকে পরীক্ষা, বেস্ট অফ লাক সবার জন্য। তো যারা চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করেনি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিও, এবং যারা সাবস্ক্রাইব করেছে তাদের অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। তো আজকের মতো এইটুকুই, দেখা হচ্ছে পরের ভিডিওতে। স্টে টিউন অ্যান্ড সাপোর্ট আস। থ্যাংক ইউ।